Hey guys, it's Claudia. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to see you here. I hope you're doing great. I hope this quarantine is treating you amazing and you're living your best life during this freaking weird time. So it is 9 p.m. right now. I am starving and I don't feel like cooking. I usually love to cook, but right now I'm just not feeling it. So we're gonna make some super easy snacks that I found on TikTok. So I found this guy right here on TikTok the other day and he has some really good snacks that we can make within like 5 minutes. They're super quick, super easy, and they're all microwaveable. So that's a plus because that means I don't have to cook anything. And yeah, like I said, I'm starving, so let's just get started. So the first one we're gonna make is a 3-ingredient chocolate cake.
Ooh.
Yeah. So all we're gonna need is 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Yum! So we're gonna stir the eggs with the sugar first. Now we're gonna add the cocoa powder. Yum! And we're gonna mix it very well. So I made a mess and I had to transfer it to a different mug, but now this is going in the microwave for 60 seconds and we'll see what we get. Yay. All right, okay.
Whoa.
What? Literally only took like 2 minutes to make. So I'm pretty impressed. I don't know. We'll see what it tastes like. Oh, I burned my tongue. It's not bad, but it's literally just a chocolate omelet. That's literally what it tastes like. But it's pretty good. Okay. Oh my god, it's so hot still. Okay, pretty good. On a scale of 1 to 10, solid 8.5. If you're craving a chocolate cake and you don't want to make a full, like a whole cake, this is definitely a good alternative. Okay. Pretty good.
Wow. It almost tastes like the consistency of a cake.
Right? But you're not eating
It's a
all the
little more
flour
chew.
and stuff.
It's actually good though. The chocolate flavor is good.
Yeah.
Like really good.
I can't have it anymore. Oh my god. I have to wait. Okay. Moving on to the next one. Alright, since we just made a dessert, now we're gonna make something salty, and that's gonna be mac and cheese. Yum. Like from scratch. So it should be pretty good. So what we're gonna need is half a cup of pasta. You can basically pick any pasta you want. I'm gonna do elbows. Then we're gonna do enough water to cover the pasta, so about half a cup. Then we're gonna microwave the pasta for 2 to 3 minutes or until tender. Kind of depends on your microwave. I'm gonna do it for 2.5 minutes. See what happens. Oh yeah, and also make sure you use a plate underneath it because it might overflow and you don't want that. So yeah. So while the pasta is being made or cooked or whatever, microwaved, you want to grate some cheese and get your milk ready. So I just took it out of the microwave. There's a lot of water on the plate and I tried the pasta. It is not cooked. So I'm going to put it back in for another like minute and a half, maybe 2 minutes.
And put more water in it?
And put more water in it. Okay, I'll be right back. So I had to put it back for another 2 minutes and now it actually looks cooked. Finally. Ah, that's hot. So we're just gonna stir them. And now add 3 tablespoons of milk. This is a bad idea. Well, I'm about to find out. That was a really bad idea.
Just eyeball it.
This is what happens when you have milk in freaking bags, Canada. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, so now milk and 1/4 cup of cheese. Wow, that's a lot of cheese. Yum.
Wouldn't hurt anybody to go a little extra on the cheese.
Yeah. I'm gonna add more at the end. Mix, 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 mix. I feel like the milk is just not gonna go away. I don't know how much I like this recipe so far. But I have to stir it. Add a little bit more salt. Salt. And now it's going back into the microwave for another 30 seconds. That doesn't look good.
It looks like mac and cheese cereal.
Ew. But yeah, we're just gonna put it back in the microwave so the cheese melts and the milk warms up a little. Right, so we're just gonna mix it now. I feel like 3 tablespoons of milk is just too much. I would do like 2 maybe next time. I was also not measuring very well thanks to the bag, but that's not my fault. Now we're gonna do more cheese on top. Mix that up. I'm gonna do more cheese because there's not such a thing as too much cheese. That just doesn't look good. Next time I'm gonna do, if I try it again, I would do 2 tablespoons of milk. But actually, if you keep stirring it, it combines pretty nicely. And let's try it. Okay, that's liquidy. Do you see that? Should I just make it again?
I told you to already.
Nah.
I mean, it's not gonna be bad. Macaroni, cheese, and a little bit of milk.
Tastes pretty good. But yeah, too much milk. Should I do it again? I'm gonna do it again. Okay, now this looks much better. Yes! Yum! Okay, so I had to remake it, but it was definitely worth it. Pretty satisfied with this. Yum, look at this cheesy, oh, yummy looking deliciousness. Whatever that means. Yum! And now we taste. So I would give the actual recipe maybe like a 5 because I had to change so many things about it. But once I got it down, ooh, ooh, ooh. So cheesy and delicious. 10 out of 10. This is what you want when you think of mac and cheese. Wow. So what I changed to the recipe was I cooked it for a lot longer. So like it was like 5 minutes total. I put less milk in there the second time and more cheese. So literally there was no way it could have gone wrong. This is good. Okay, so now we're gonna make a 2-minute carrot cake. I don't know about that, but let's try it out. So we're going to combine 3 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt. Then we're gonna mix all the dry ingredients together and add 2 tablespoons of milk and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And finally 1 small grated carrot, which is about 1/4 cup. Once we have everything together, we're just gonna put it in the microwave for 90 seconds and it should be done. Let's see. I'm pretty excited. This looks pretty good. I did it again. It tastes a lot like flour and not a lot like carrot. Yeah, I don't know about this recipe. I mean, it's definitely eatable, but maybe like a 5 out of 5. The texture is just not right. I don't know, maybe I have to let it cool a little. We'll come back in a couple minutes for this and see if it gets a little better. If not, it's gonna stay a 5 out of 5. It looks good, but the texture, I can't get over it. Okay, next recipe. Okay, so now we're gonna make another salty snack and we're gonna make lasagna. Yay! I'm super excited about this because it's one of my favorite meals, so this better not disappoint me. Okay, so we're gonna grab our pastas and we're gonna cut them in 3 each one. So I don't think they have to be perfect, so I'm just gonna snap them if I can. That didn't fall on the ground and I picked it up. Nope. Oh, this is not working. I feel like there's a better method. Whatever. Good enough. Okay, so now that we have our pasta, we're just gonna cover it with hot water and microwave it for, it says 6 to 10 minutes. There's a big range there. I'm gonna do 8 then. I'm gonna put them in the microwave for 8 minutes and check them every once in a while to see how tender they are. Yeah, I'll be right back. So they ended up staying in the microwave for 10 minutes, but now they're nice and tender. So now we can assemble our lasagna. Yay! So what we're gonna need is our pasta, then some marinara sauce or whatever kind of sauce you would like to use. Then some basil. I'm gonna use some fresh one because I have it. If not, you can just use the dry one. And also some mozzarella cheese. And now we just have to assemble it. Yay! Half an hour later, yay! So we are gonna do some sauce at the bottom. We're gonna put in some pasta. And we're gonna do more tomato sauce. I don't know if you're supposed to do this, but I'm gonna put a little bit of cheese in between because cheese is the best thing ever. And we're gonna do more pasta, more sauce, and we're just gonna keep repeating this until we run out of pasta. Now we're just gonna do more cheese at the top. Then we're just gonna put the basil on top, and that's it. It's a little messy, but that's okay. So now that we have our yummy lasagna all assembled, we're gonna put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. And I'm sorry if you can hear my puppy chew his food. He's so loud, but I can't make him stop, so I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. And it looks so delicious. Oh my god, I'm so excited to try it. It seriously looks like a really good lasagna, so I'm really looking forward to it. I really don't want to be disappointed with this. I might need a knife, actually. Oh my god, I don't know how to cut this. Ah! This is so cheesy and messy. Oh my god, I just want to try it, but it looks so hot. Wow. My favorite recipe so far. Oh, so good. Wow. Yum. Even if it doesn't have any meat, it's still so delicious. It's just like perfect. Oh, I love it. Yes. The thing with lasagna is that I would seriously eat it every single day if I could, but it just takes so long to make and prepare and everything that I'm like maybe like once a month and that's it. But now that I know that I can make little bites, oh, game changer. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna eat this and I'll be back for more recipes. Okay, I'm super excited about this next one because it's extremely easy to make and it only needs 3 ingredients. Like I think the first one that we made, the chocolate one, it's basically the same but with peanut butter instead of chocolate. Pretty excited. So for this one, we're going to combine 3 tablespoons of peanut butter, 1 egg, and 1 tablespoon of sugar, plus 1 teaspoon of sugar. So we're just gonna mix that for a little bit until we have like a good consistency. And once we're happy with it, we're gonna microwave it for 60 seconds, and that's it. I love it. I can't wait. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this one. I love peanut butter, so ooh. Yum. Can't wait to try it. This one was just so easy to make. I really hope it's good. That way I can make it every single day and just get fat with it. It kind of tastes like a peanut butter muffin, which is delicious. So, yum. Pretty happy with this one. Okay. And it's actually not bad. Like the only bad thing about it would be the sugar, and it's only like 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, which is not too much. So pretty good. Definitely like 9 out of 10, I would say. 8.5. Oh my gosh, I'm making a mess. Okay, one more recipe. 1, more recipe. So since we're talking about TikTok, we cannot make a TikTok video and not make banana bread, because literally everybody on TikTok is making them. So we're gonna make banana bread, and it should only take about a minute to prep and 2 minutes to cook. So wow, so excited. Alright, so to make the banana bread, you're gonna need 3 tablespoons of flour, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1/8 of a teaspoon of baking powder, salt, and baking soda. You're gonna mix all the dry ingredients first, and then you're going to add a tablespoon of vegetable oil, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of milk, and 1 ripe banana. Oh, but the one thing that I suggest is that you smash the banana in another plate, just because it's gonna be a little messy if you do it in the mug with everything else. So just do it on the plate and then just add it to the mug, and then just mix everything together, and then you're just gonna put it in the microwave for 2.5 minutes. And within 4 minutes we have banana bread. Yay! I wasn't expecting it to be so like moist, but this is so good. Oh wow. I haven't made banana bread in a while, so I can't remember exactly how long it takes to make it, but I'm sure it's not 4 minutes. So pretty good recipe. The taste, probably like an 8.5 out of 10. Pretty good. I like it. I mean, it's just good to know that you can make like a small portion if you're just craving it and you don't want to make a whole banana bread, you know? So pretty good recipe. And we are done. Oh my god, it's so hot. I have not learned from my mistakes. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know down below which recipe you tried, and if you try all of them, also let me know. But yeah, these recipes were actually pretty good, so thank you Jake for making this yummy snacks. I feel like my least favorite was the carrot cake, and my favorite one was the lasagna, but they were all so good. Like, I'm actually impressed. Like, sometimes you make some recipes and you're like eh, but these were all so good. You guys should definitely try them. And if you actually end up trying them all, let me know which one you like the most. I hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as I did. And make sure you follow me on Instagram and you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!